Morning routine mastery, stretch and strengthen with the downward dog yoga pose. Wake up to a sunrise that not only enriches the sky but enriches your body. Embrace the day with a downward dog. This pose, a staple in morning routines, offers more than just a stretch. It's a bridge to better health and vitality. Imagine your body, a silhouette against the morning light, pushing the ground away, feeling every muscle awaken with life. As you breathe in, feel the strength building in your arms and legs. With each exhale, dive deeper into relaxation. It's not just a pose, it's a moment of connection. Between you and the earth, between your body and soul. Incorporate the downward dog into your morning. Watch as your days start with more energy, more strength, and unparalleled clarity. Let this be more than a routine. Let it be a ritual. A promise of a day filled with purpose and peace.